Hello everyone and welcome to Programming with Roki. In this video, we'll be discussing how we can make money as a web developer. Web development is a fast growing industry. There are many ways to make money as a developer. Whether you are just a beginner or you are a professional developer, there are opportunities for everyone. So without further, let's dive into the ways you can make money as a developer. Today I will share with you the 5 ways to make money online as a web developer. Let's start. First and foremost, you make money as a web developer by creating a website for your clients. This could be anything from a small business website to a full-scale e-commerce website. The possibilities are endless, and the more experience you gain, the more money you can charge for your service. You can find clients offline or online. If you are interested, then I will make another video in details on how to find clients. Another way to make money as a web developer is by creating mobile application. With the increasing use of smartphones and tablets, there is a high demand for mobile application. You can create apps for both iOS and Android device and sell them on App Store like the Apple Store or Google Play Store. If you want, you can make money using the AdMob ads. Also, there are many ways to make money by develop mobile apps. The another one is creating and selling WordPress theme and plugins. WordPress is a popular platform used by many businesses and individuals to create a website. Creating and selling themes and plugins can be a smart business, especially if you are expert in specific niche. The most popular website is ThemeForest for selling your theme, plugins, apps, and all types of web development projects. I will discuss ThemeForest in future videos. The fourth number way to make money as a web developer is by offering website optimization service. This could be anything from improving website speed to optimizing website content for search engine. As businesses continue to shift their focus online, the demand for website optimization service will only increase. Lastly, you can make money by teaching others how to code. You can create online courses, you can make video on YouTube, write blog posts, or offer one-on-one coaching service. As the demand for web development skill continues to increase, there is a growing need for people to teach others how to code. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money as a web developer. Whether you choose to create a website for clients, develop mobile app, sell WordPress themes and plugins, offer website optimization service, or teach others how to code, there are endless opportunities for you to make money in the web development industry. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on web development.